Alright, welcome. Let's look at putting together the Project Jackal off-route mine. Let's start with the basic piece, which is the 4-piece chassis. And that would be this guy. All you need to make this one work is the 4-piece chassis, the striker, and a car door lock actuator. They come with their own little wood type screws, and we just screw the car door lock actuator into place. Then we take the worm drive clamp, run it through the body. We take our striker, slide our striker in, take the cotter pin, the R clamp, whatever you want to call it, put that in. That locks the two of them together. From there, we have our 1-inch piece of, or 1.5-inch piece of Schedule 40 PVC, approximately 12 inches long. You can go up to 24 inches, and with the clamp-on legs to make a Insurgent 107 kind of rocket setup. But this is just a mine we're building really shortly today. This is a 1.5 to 1.25 rubber coupling that pops on the back. That gets clamped on with a screwdriver. We then take our large hole gas shell, Mad Bull PV4 or its E-Vike or S-Thunder clones works just fine. These hold more gas and have a bigger and faster valve than any other shell on the market, with the exception of the Taggins shells, which are incredible. They hold twice the gas of that, which is why you don't want to put them in an off-route mine, because you will screw up somebody or somebody's vehicle shooting that kind of power point blank. And then you twist on the back, shells held in. We then take this and put our worm drive clamp in. Right, now that I'm close, I'm going to slide this back. I'm going to put on the safety. Which slides over the nub. I'm going to push that down. That's going to set our headspace for the distance we want between the shell and the rest of it. Okay. To use, pull the key, remove the striker, fill the shell, Then all you need to do is run out some wire, hide this in the bushes, and tap it off with a battery. Bob's your uncle. Bang, you got a dead vehicle.